Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be cooking dinner. We're going to show you what we eat on a normal day when we're not mukbanging. Mark's actually at work a little bit late. I wanted to show you what I'm still going to prepare for dinner using things that we have around the house. So let's go. All right, so let's check out what we have in our, this is like literally the only cabinet we have in our kitchen. This is our pantry. Slim pickings. We only have like Spam, I think, from the pandemic. Tuna. Mark's been drinking this bone broth and some other things. I think we're gonna probably have to go to the pasta drawer. Let's go there. I just organized it so I don't feel that ashamed. It's actually on this side of the kitchen. This cupboard down below. All right, let's see. Which one did I put the pasta in? Is it this one? Ah, yes. The bin with all of the pasta goodies. So, we have a couple of different types of options. We have this bucatini we could use. There's also this fun gigli. Isn't that the name of that bad Jennifer Lopez movie? Let's see, since this one's been in our pantry a little bit longer, let's go with this fun one, and then we'll use this another time. And then the sauce choices we have are, we have Alfredo, and we have a vodka sauce. I think we're gonna go with the vodka sauce because I'm planning to put meatballs in here and some veggies, and I think actually both of them would be good. Let's do the red sauce today though. All right, let's head to the fridge. I think there were some veggies I ordered online this week that I thought might be good in here. Okay, so we got some basil. Definitely can use the basil. I think I was gonna add some bell peppers, but now I'm not sure. And I have kale. I think the kale will actually work better in this, so let's use the kale. See anything else I need to grab? We kind of organized. Ooh, we already have chopped onions. That's gonna save some time. Spices. Not gonna need to get too cray. We're gonna use red pepper and let's use a little oregano. That'd be good. I forgot to add, we're gonna be using the meatballs because I'm trying to make more room in our freezer. And we have some meatballs. I think these meatballs we originally got like back in December. These are from Costco, the Kirkland meatballs. So we're gonna use some of that. So I think we have everything we're gonna need for a simple pasta dish. I think Mark just got home. He's gonna do that creeping thing around the corner because he hears me talking to myself. We got this fruit and veggie wash that we're gonna use. Yes? Why are you doing a karate move?
I thought your secret boyfriend was over and you're talking to someone.
And that's what you were gonna do is a karate chop? You're gonna judo chop him? My secret boyfriend is Hadu.
I knew it.
Yeah, so the kale and the basil came in this delivery thing that we get every Tuesday. Wash that up. Guess we're gonna spray these too. Yeah, it looks different than what I normally have, but it looks delicious. We're gonna just tear off the leaves and throw into our pasta sauce so it's not super, I think sometimes the stalk part could be like bitter, so. We're gonna reuse this colander for the pasta and try to minimize on dishes. All right, you know what? I'm gonna take a quick detour and let's make the rest of the caprese salad. I'll show you how we made it yesterday. Slice these tomatoes. Which way did Mark do it the other day? Was it like this? It was like that. And we're gonna go with that lengthwise. And that'll just help things marinate. Ooh, I do not have Mark's knife handling skills, as you can see. Here are the tomatoes. Yeah, they sell these mozzarella balls at Trader Joe's. We only used like a few yesterday and they're super delicious. I highly recommend them. I don't know, the cheese to tomato ratio is kind of off, but it's okay. All right, we're gonna dress these up. We got our balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper. So let's do a little olive oil first. Some pepper. About two, what are these, fingertips full? I don't even know the term. And then a splash of balsamic. 2 splashes. 1, 2. All right, I'm gonna get a spoon and give it a nice stir. Just gonna let it. You need some basil in here, which is perfect because we still have that lightly dried basil. So let me go grab that. Need to add a little bit for color. Ooh, that looks good. See, you know, there's no cooking involved, and then you could say that you made something delicious already with that. So there we go. Doesn't that look good? It's so fresh, and with it being like 100+ degrees, I actually don't know, I haven't been outside too much today, but this is the perfect treat for that. All right, we're gonna rip our kale so we can add it to the sauce. I don't think I'm gonna need to use all of it, and then remove the stalky part because that might be a little bit more tough, maybe even a little bitter. We don't want that. All right, let's get to, we need to fill up a pot of water. So I'm gonna grab a pot right now. Let's use this nice blue one here. And we're also gonna need a pan for our sauce. Make sure you salt your water. Great, now we can work on the sauce. It should be pretty straightforward because the sauce, you know, this vodka sauce is pretty solid from Trader Joe's. So we're just gonna dress it up a little bit with some onions and a little bit of garlic and some more herbs. I forgot to grab the garlic, so let's see. Jenga in here. Ooh. All right, we use this fresh garlic puree from H Mart. They actually have a GoPro attachment that you can stick on your head, but I don't know how that would work. So we're gonna roll with this method for now. All right, let's add some olive oil to our pan. All right, let's add some onions. I like onions, so we'll just use it all. We're just gonna cook it until it gets translucent. So I know you're probably thinking like, this isn't really cooking, but this is semi-homemade. We're working people. Sometimes it's really hard to even want to cook, especially today because it's really hot. But I know since the pandemic, actually we've been cooking more because of the lives. But when we're not on the live, then I feel like we haven't been cooking as much. So I'm trying to get back into just cooking on the weekdays a little bit more than we have been. I don't know how many meatballs we're gonna use. 5 meatballs per serving. I think maybe 20? I don't know if that's too many. Whatever will fit in the pan, I guess. We'll add some crushed red pepper. I like adding it early. I feel like the heat develops more. I don't know if I'm making that up, but in my head it makes sense. So we're making it spicy a little bit. Let's add some oregano. Salt. A scoop here. We're about ready to add the sauce soon. Ooh, she tight. Ooh. Ah, there we go. Large pot, add pasta, stir, and return to a boil. Boil 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so we have a little bit of time. I want to make sure the meatballs get a chance to like cook in here, so I'm probably gonna add the meatballs soon. All right, I got the meatballs here. Let's add a few to sauce. Eyeballing it. Plenty of meatballs. Stir these in. Now I believe these meatballs are already fully cooked, so really you just need to reheat them. So you can add them to a sauce, you can microwave them, whatever you need to do. Oh, I can smell the garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna just sauce these balls real quick before I add my pasta. Now cooking's hard enough as it is, but imagine trying to film and cook at the same time. It's no joke. I got scissors. Let's do 7 minutes. They kind of look like mushrooms almost. Alright. Now I think I actually might add the kale to the pasta, like the last minute or so. I've seen people do that with like broccoli when they need to cook broccoli for the pasta. They'll just add it to the pasta water instead of directly to the sauce. So let's try that and see if that does anything. Okay, let's try the sauce and see if it needs anything. Ooh, it's spicy. We got about 2 minutes left on the pasta. All right, there's about a minute left on the timer for the pasta, so I'm gonna add the kale in here just to get it lightly blanched. Ooh, that's pretty. We got our colander set up over there. It's not like spinach where like once you cook down the spinach, it'll completely disintegrate and you're like, where did all the spinach go? All right, let's turn this to the simmer. I can actually turn this off because you can do a little al dente. Turn off the timer. Ooh. Steamy. We're gonna add the pasta and the kale straight to the sauce. Suck it in. Ooh. Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit. I wonder if we have Parmesan cheese in the fridge. We may or may not. I'll go check in a second, but just mix everything nice and well. This actually doesn't look too bad. Maybe I could have done more kale. Hey, but at least there's some green. Do you think there's Parmesan cheese? Please let there be Parmesan cheese. This is our cheese drawer. Yes. Are we still going this? What's the date say? 8/21. We're good. We're good. We're solid. We'll just add some now because we can. And then we'll add a little bit more to garnish. To top off with. All right, it's time to plate. Ooh. Heavy. Which bowl or plate should we use? I'm kind of feeling, this kind of looks like fun today. Let's do these. Scoop. Make sure you get the kale on top so it doesn't get covered. You know how many meatballs you're getting, but you're getting a bunch. Okay, this is what we got so far. I'll give you guys a close-up in a second. These. Sprig or two of basil for freshness. Let's just do, usually I like to do it like it's a butterfly. Mark, are you decent? I just want you to come out and do a taste test. Get you a fork. It's like feeding Judge Ramsay. Oh no, here's a nice one I made for you. You can pick it up if you want.
It's so pretty. Oh, it's really good. We cooked the pasta perfectly al dente.
Good. It said 5 to 7 and I always do like 6.5. I always do 30 seconds less than it.
It's perfect.
And I used the meatball. Try meatball. Did you try meatball yet? Those are not homemade, by the way.
They're Costco made.
They might be hot though, be careful. Or make sure they're hot. Are they hot? Mm-hmm. Okay. Good? Good. Bon appetit. And I said people, you probably will drink some of the box wine because I couldn't get it out of the shot.
You read my mind.
Oh, and before we go, try this too. I made this. This is a continuation from Monday, so a cold salad. Is it considered?
You even cut the tomatoes like what we did last night.
Yeah, it's like I'm a chef in training. Oh no, you might just eat that. You eat that like it's cereal. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me. If you enjoy more of these Cook With Me videos, let me know in the comments and we'll see you for our next video. Bye. Everyone wants to see you. Bye, Edu.
Good day. Good day.